Module 10, Lesson 3, the audit log. The consent ledger tracks what subscribers decided. The audit log tracks what your team did. Settings changed, members added, campaigns sent, plans switched. Open settings, then audit. When something looks different on Monday morning, this page knows who and when. Each entry names the actor, the action, the target, and the moment. Sasha updated workspace branding. An admin invited a member. A campaign dispatched. System actions are recorded too, marked as the system rather than a person. So scheduled sends and automated changes are just as visible as manual ones. The valuable part is the before and after. Changes record both states, what the setting was, what it became. That turns someone changed the send from address into it changed from this value to that value at 14:02 by this person. Reconstructing an incident stops being an interview process. The rule of thumb, anything that affects money, members, sending, or compliance lands here. Branding and domain changes, role changes, plan changes, integration connects and disconnects, key creation and revocation. Routine content edits, live in content versioning from Module 3 instead, so the audit log stays signal, not noise. 2 habits worth forming. Skim the log after anything surprising and check it before blaming a tool. Most mysteries turn out to be a colleague with good intentions and no Slack message. For incidents, export the relevant window the same way you exported consent. The formats are deliberately similar. Module 10 done. Subscriber consent, audit exports, and team accountability, all evidence grade. 1 module left, the advanced surfaces, including the platform admin view and white label in depth. See you there.